The mist rolled low across the mountainside of Patara El as dawn slowly crept through the trees. Far above, the wreckage of the shuttle still burned, black smoke twisting into the pale morning sky. Strange birds called somewhere deep within the valley below, their cries echoing through the endless forest. Bruised, exhausted, and stranded on an unknown world, Alistar Carr led the group carefully down the narrow mountain trail. Behind him, Amara Morgan carried what remained of their medical supplies, while Javier Torres struggled under the weight of an overloaded survival pack. Ahead of them, a wide river wound through the valley floor like a silver ribbon cutting through the wilderness. The world looked almost like Earth, but not quite. The trees towered too high. The shadows lingered too long. Even the flowers glowing faint blue beneath the moss-covered roots seemed wrong somehow. As they descended deeper into the forest, the silence began to press in around them, too quiet. Then came the sound. A low howl echoed through the valley. Torres froze instantly. Even from a distance, it sounded like a predator. Carr moved ahead cautiously, studying broken branches and deep tracks pressed into the damp earth. Nearby, long claw marks had been carved into the bark of a massive tree trunk. Something enormous had passed through here. The forest thickened around them as shafts of sunlight pierced the canopy overhead. Strange blue flowers swayed gently beside the trail, while the river roared louder somewhere below. Then, the undergrowth shifted. A branch snapped. Closer this time. Carr slowly drew his sidearm as heavy breathing echoed through the trees. A massive shadow moved between the underbrush. For a brief moment, the creature emerged near the riverbank below, a gigantic predator resembling an ancient saber-toothed tiger, larger than any natural cat on Earth. Thick muscles rolled beneath striped fur. Long curved fangs hung from its jaws as pale amber eyes locked onto the survivors. The creature stopped, sniffed the air, and turned toward them. Nobody moved. Nobody breathed. Then the beast let out a deep, rumbling growl that rolled through the forest like distant thunder.